Having worked on a variety of bead art for over 5 years, I'm here now to share that knowledge with you. Hello everyone, and welcome aboard this fun and creative journey as I share with you skills I've gained in a field that I am genuinely passionate in. I'm Stike and I love art. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. We're going to teach you how to put on a standard bracelet on. It's a question that we've been getting from a lot of people who find that the bracelet is not passing. They feel that they can break the bracelet. So we're going to show you how it's done. So as you can see, when you try on the bracelet, it feels like it can't fit, it can't pass. So we're going to show you the trick on how to put it on easily. So what we're going to do is we go to a tap. Once you're at the tap or any source of water, you first of all wet your hands and the bracelet. There is no problem if you wet it. Then now you can try it on. So by trying it on, you find that it fits, it can slip in quite more easily compared to when your hand is not wet. You can also use soapy water, or you can add soap if you find that it's not fitting quite well. But if the bracelet feels that it cannot pass, then you'll have to have it redone or have another bracelet that fits well. But as you can see, we are able to fit this one, and it's a perfect fit, as you can see.